You know what the real trick to making money online is? It's not luck. It's not some secret hack. It's volume. If you're trying to make money selling t-shirts, writing ebooks, or posting YouTube videos, you need to create a lot of them. Let's break that down. Here's the harsh truth. Most people fail at online business because they give up too early. They upload 5 videos, design 12 t-shirts, publish 3 ebooks, and then quit. But the people actually making money? They've got hundreds of videos, designs, products, and posts out there working for them. This is a numbers game. Every piece of content, every product you publish is a lottery ticket. The more tickets you have, the better your odds. Let's talk about how platforms like YouTube, Amazon, and Etsy actually work. These platforms are algorithms, and algorithms love data. When you post often, the system learns what works. You get more chances to go viral. You figure out what thumbnails convert, what titles drive clicks, what audiences engage. Quantity helps you learn faster and rank better. And over time, some of those videos or products become passive income machines. Here's why people stop. They expect fast results. They think, if I post 10 things and nothing pops, I must suck. But that's not how this works. Even the top creators and sellers started small, and most of their early stuff flopped too. The difference? They didn't stop. They kept creating, improving, experimenting, and iterating. That's the mindset you need. So if you're wondering why your online hustle isn't taking off, ask yourself, have you done enough volume to even give yourself a shot? That's the real secret. Now, if you want to see real side hustle reviews, honest breakdowns, and more tips like this, subscribe to me. Until next time, guys, peace.